In this video, we'll show you how Benefit Catalog in Spacebring helps you make memberships more valuable by giving members easy access to perks, offers, and discounts from local partners. Benefits differentiate your space and add value to memberships. Managing benefits is easy from one unified view, and adding a new perk takes just a few minutes. To create a benefit, upload a photo, add a title, subtitle, and description so members understand the offer. You can also organize benefits into custom categories to keep the catalog easy to browse. You also have control over how members access each benefit. Set an application allowance to manage demand and customize the call to action button based on the next step you want members to take. Enable a confirmation email that members receive after applying. On the member side, users can browse available perks in the app or web portal and apply in just a few taps. On the admin side, you can view and manage incoming applications at a glance. Use filters to quickly find the right information. You can edit benefits at any time and pin your most popular offers to the top of the catalog for more visibility. And when you launch a new perk, Spacebring's AI agent can help you instantly generate a promotional post for your community feed. With the Benefit Catalog in Spacebring, you can create a more valuable membership experience and strengthen local partnerships.